If you believe that you do not have to sell every single day, you are delusional. It doesn't matter what you do for a living. It doesn't matter what you are passionate about. Every single day, you have to sell yourself. And selling is the most broken down, the most fundamental part of you that you leverage every single day. Most people just don't know about it. I love it when people say, I hate selling. You will never be successful if you cannot sell. As a matter of fact, sales is the only profession where you can make anywhere from $100,000 to $1 million a year with no college degree, with very little formal training, and where you can grow in an organization exponentially in a short period of time if you focus on the fundamentals of selling. So here are 3 books for you to get better at selling yourself. 1. Influenced by Robert Cialdini. 2. The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. And 3. The Way of the Superior Man by David Deida. Now, the last book that I mentioned is specifically for men, but I think it's also very helpful for women, and it will help you sell yourself in your personal life.
Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos on e-commerce, custom development, marketing, and much more. And leave us a comment if you'd like to discuss the contents of this video further.